National Judicial Commission. Independence and accountability of judiciary has got direct nexus link with the method of selection and appointment of judges of the High Courts and the Supreme Court. The selection and appointment of judges shall not be left to the executive. The collegium concept was formulated by the Supreme Court in response to executive dominance and politicization in the matter of selection and appointment of judges of the Constitution.
Biryani, chicken biryani.
It is proved to be not the right constitutional response to the wrong and unjust practice adopted by the executive government.
Anda biryani, chicken biryani.
And it could not be the right constitutional response to the wrong and unjust practice adopted by the executive government. Right? Protect independence of judiciary from within and without. For an independent and accountable judiciary, there should be a totally independent, autonomous constitutional body mechanism with comprehensive powers for selection and appointment of judges of the Constitutional Court, transfer and inquire into their misdemeanor. Such a body institution shall have representation from all sections of stakeholders of the judiciary and shall not be dominated by the executive. We have been campaigning for such a national commission. In fact, it is ILU which brought this idea of concept before the public domain for discussion for the first time. We even caused to move a private bill for amendment of the Constitution and to constitute the National Judicial Commission. But our concept of National Judicial Commission is not the concept of National Judicial Appointment Commission projected by the Modi government by the Constitutional Amendment and the National Judicial Appointment Commission Act 2014. Our concept of National Judicial Commission is a totally independent, autonomous constitutional body with representation from all sections of stakeholders of the judiciary and shall not be dominated by the executive or judiciary. The Law Minister need not be a member of the Commission or in the selection committee to select members of the National Judicial Commission. Law Minister లేకుండా ఎట్లయితే and all stakeholders also will be a stakeholder. Some representative from the government also ఉండాలి. వానికి వీటో పవర్ ఇయ్యదు, వాడు మెజారిటీ ఉండదు, కరెక్ట్. లా మినిస్టర్ ఉండదని ఎట్లా? ఉండాలి అంటే ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఉండాలి. ఆల్ స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్ అన్నాం. జ్యుడిషియరీ నుంచి ఒకరు ఉంటారు, అడ్వకేట్ బాడీ నుంచి ఉంటారు, ఆపోజిట్ వీళ్ళు ఉంటారు. గవర్నమెంట్ అంతా ఒకటి ఉండాలి కదా. బాడీ వితౌట్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎట్లా చేయలేదు. అపాయింట్మెంట్ కదా ఫైనల్లీ. The president issues the notification. Who issues the notification? Specific should not be there. The law minister need not be a member of the commission. Need not be. Select members. There should be representation to the civil society and Indian bar. Representation for women and scheduled caste, scheduled tribes also shall be ensured. One shall be a jurist and another shall be an expert in social and political science. To recommend only candidates with respectable character and integrity who believe in the constitutional philosophy and the core values reflected in the preamble of the Constitution. ఇది ఎట్లా అనుకుంటారు? ఇది ఎట్లా అనుకుంటారు? ఏమైనా డిఎన్ఏ టెస్ట్ ఉంటే ఆడ పంచుకొని ఇదంతా టోపియా executive interference in any form is antithetical to constitutional independence and accountability of the judiciary. ILU has been consistently fighting for independence and accountability of the judiciary and to insulate the judiciary from interference of the executive, corruption and arbitrariness, and to ensure its accountability to the percept of the Constitution. This assumes importance when the judiciary under attack from within and without. There has been alarming number of cases pending disposal in various courts in India for long years together. Over 40 million cases are pending in subordinate courts. Out of this, 1,69,000 are of over 30 years. Around 69,000 are pending before the Supreme Court, and more than 59 lakhs are pending in 25 high courts. This itself is cause for denial of justice. There is a vacancy of 324 High Court judges against the total strength of 1114 in 25 High Courts. The judge to population ratio in India is 21.03 per million population. In Europe it is 210 per million and US 150 per million. The budgetary allotment of the union government to the judiciary is only very meager, around 0.1%. The expenses of the judiciary is largely met by the state government. Due to this negligible and insufficient fund allotment, the infrastructure of judiciary is in pathetic condition, affecting speedy justice and accessibility of the judiciary for the poor. The Supreme Court could not timely hear and dispose the cases challenging constitutional validity of legislation, constitutional amendments abrogating Article 370 and 35A, and dissolution of state of Jammu and Kashmir, case challenging against Citizens Amendment Act, electoral bond. The Article 370 matter has been heard by the Supreme Court only after about 4 years, that is in the month of December 2023, and judgment passed on 11/12/2023. This is judiciary. The Article 370 judgment will be